Car owners who live in areas where there's cold weather know how inconvenient it is sitting in a frozen car, waiting for it to warm up. That is unless you have a remote starter on your vehicle. In the most basic sense, a remote starter allows you to start your vehicle's engine remotely. This way you can warm up your car and its interior before getting inside. It also works great if you live in warm weather climates, allowing you to cool off your seats and cabin before getting on your way. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the best remote starter systems from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Viper Responder LC3 Two-Way Remote Start and Alarm System. If you have ever been in the market for a car alarm, you have likely heard of Viper. The company also offers a few remote starter options, including the Responder LC3, which is a two-way remote start and alarm system. Boasting an impressive 1-mile range, this kit's primary remote features a large LCD with an onboard lithium-ion battery with micro-USB recharging. The system also includes a one-way long-range remote. Although expensive, the remote allows you to command and monitor your vehicle unlike any other kit on the market. Along with clear text labels on the large LCD screen, there's Priority User Interface that uses 5 buttons to control 24 functions. When in remote start mode, the Responder LC3 will display temperature if active temp check has been selected. This way, you can see the actual temperature of your vehicle's interior before trying to get inside. Other features incorporated into this system include D2D serial data port, virtual touch, flex relays on board for remote start and light flash, control center, and priority user interface and features, which include smart start, timer start, runtime reset, temp check, and silent MODE2 siren-less alarming modes. Number 2. CompuStar Two-Way Remote Start and Alarm Bundle. Boasting a 3,000-foot max range, this package is a two-way remote start and alarm bundle from CompuStar. The CS7900 includes a two-way interactive LCD remote, the CM600 control module, shock sensor, siren, and LED. This will allow you to lock and start your vehicle from a distance, with the remote providing visual and audible cues when commands are sent successfully. With this system, you're able to add door, hood, trunk, and impact sensors all around your vehicle for added security. If there is a breach, the LCD remote will let you know what's going on near and around your vehicle. The alarm siren is nice and loud, rated at over 105 decibels. Like most remote starter and alarm bundles, this kit should be installed by a professional. Number 3. CrimeStopper Cool Start Two-Way Remote Start System. Capable of working up to 3,000 feet away is CrimeStopper's Cool Start Two-Way Remote Start System. This system is a two-way FM-FM paging remote engine starting system that uses a two-way rechargeable LCD transmitter and a one-way Sidekick transmitter to operate. The two-way transmitter features a brushed aluminum and titanium finish, along with a standard USB and wall charger. On the LCD pager, there is an out-of-range notification along with a remote start runtime countdown. The display also has notifications for real-time confirmation of lock, unlock, and trunk pop. Other features on this system include twin data ports, tachometer sensing, horn honk, and extra auxiliary outputs through data when used with a data module. Number 4. EasyGuard Remote Starter Kit. The comprehensive, but expensive solution is offered by EasyGuard with its EC002 system. This multifunction car alarm system features PKE passive keyless entry, push start button, remote engine start, and touch password entry backup. It's a universal package that will fit most vehicles on the market, and can help make an older vehicle feel more modern. Some vehicles will require a bypass module for installation, and diesel vehicles may require an extra timer delay switch. The PKE passive keyless entry system will automatically unlock a car door when the key fob is within 3 to 6 feet. It will also automatically lock the doors when the key fob is 6 to 9 feet away from the vehicle. Each kit includes 2 transmitters equipped with 3 buttons, arm panic mode, start button trunk release, disarm, each along with a LED indicator. There is even a place to put a spare keyblade. If you're looking for a package that offers more than just remote start, this is a great kit. Number 5. CompuStar One-Way Remote Start and Keyless Entry. If you're looking for another budget option, consider CompuStar's CS920S, which is a one-way remote start and keyless entry system. This kit comes with a pair of one-way remotes with 4 buttons each, and works through the CM900 control module. Compatible with diesel engines, the CS920S has a 1,000-foot max range, which is a bit limited compared to other options. With this system, you'll be able to remotely start your vehicle, lock and unlock your doors, and also access a pair of auxiliary outputs for power sliding door control, using a combination of buttons. Valet mode, horn honks, and passive active arming functions can be turned on and off using other button combinations. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.